Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can convert the binary numbers into decimal and from decimals into binary numbers. Okay, suppose I have this number. It is written 204. Now you are required to convert these numbers into binary. How can you do it? First of all, you have to draw this line. After drawing this line, then you draw the line perpendicular to the one drawn vertically. Then write this number here, 204. Because it is binary, it means we are dealing with 2. Binary means 2, so start dividing by 2. So if I divide by 2 here, it is 204 divided by 2, I get 120 with remainder 0. So you put 0 here. Maybe you can write it. You can draw another line. Now take 120 divided by 2 again. So if I divide by 2 here, I get 60 with remainder 0. Okay. Then take 60 divided by 2. Then you get 30. Then take 30 divided by with remainder 0. Sorry, you have to put 0 again. Then take 30 divided by 2. You get 15 with remainder 0. Then take 15 divided by 2. You get 7 with remainder 1. Then take 7 divided by 2. You get 3 with remainder 1. Then take 3 divided by 2. You get how much? You get 1 with remainder 1. Then lastly, take 1 divided by 2. You get 0 with remainder 1. Now we have ended. So the binary number of 240 is, you start counting from here going upward. So you have to draw this arrow which shows that this is the way you will start writing from 1 up to 0. So the binary number of 204 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Then you are through. Okay, now let's check how we can change the binary numbers into a decimal number. Let's consider with the same number. Let's consider with the same number. Now the binary number is 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 from the first number that we have changed, which is 240. Now how can we convert this binary number into a decimal number? Now what you are required to do is to put the brackets and write 2 here, which means this is a binary system. In order to convert this into original number, which is 240, you have to assign the powers of these numbers. So you start assigning the power from the last number, which is 0. So here it is in power 0. Start with power 0. This is power 1. This is power 2. This is power 3. This is power 4. This is power 5. this is power 6, this is power 7. So in order to convert this number into a decimal number, then you start by taking this one, 2, which is binary, power 7 times 1 plus, take another, this is okay, then the next one, 2 again, power 6 times 1 plus, you are already with this one, let's take number 3, it will be equal to 2 power 5 times 1 plus, let's go for 4, it will be 2 power 4 times 1 plus, then plus 2 power 3 times 0 until you reach the end number. So because here we have 0, 0, 0, 0, the product of this one is always 0. So you deal with only these numeric values. Okay, now you start 2 power 7. What is 2 power 7? What is 2 power 6? What is 2 power 5? And what is 2 power 4? Now let's use our calculator here. Okay, this is our calculator. Now from our calculator, now we can calculate what is 2 power 7. 2 power 7, it is 128. So here it is 128 times 1, it is 128 plus then 2 power 6, again 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is 64. 64 times 1 is 64, so it is 64 plus 2 power 5. 2 power 5, we know it is 32, so you write here 32 plus 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. Then add these numbers. Now we add this way. The first number we have 128 plus the second number is 64 plus the third number is 32 and the fourth number is 16, which is 2 4 0. Then you are through. Simple and easy. Thank you for listening. Hope you have understood how you can convert it. In the next lesson, we will learn how we can convert the same numbers if we are even the decimal points. Example, maybe 54.56. How can we convert this to binary system, and how can we take those from binary system back to the decimal numbers? Thank you for listening and hope you to see in the next tutorial.